Good morning, children. How are you? In the last class, we have done lesson number 12 means of communication. A small revision, and then we will move forward. In this, you have already learned what does means of communication means. I would like to repeat a small thing. The things which are used in sending or receiving messages are called means of communication. There are two type of communication: personal communication, in which the personal communication and mass communication. So in last class we have done personal communication. In that we did postal service. Postal service, we had done postcard, inland letters and envelopes. Here also I told you the full form of PIN and what does the PIN code means, and the envelope, inland letter, PIN, PIN. PIN stands for postal index number, and we have done the differences between the inland letter and the postcard. That the postcard that you see here, the cost of an inland letter is more than the postcard and it has more space than the postcard. This is the difference between the inland letter and the postcard. And about the envelope also, we have written that it is costlier than the inland, and over here we write address to whom we are sending. So this we did in the last class. Now we are going to start today's class. Children, please take a pencil because you have to underline also. So today we will be starting with page number 85. So children, we are starting from here. Your wisdom. Your friend lives in Delhi and the pin code of Delhi is 110010. So you can mark this. The pin code of Delhi is, so the pin code of Delhi is 110010. Okay, and now this is your homework. You do, this is your homework. You fill it yourself, and in next class I will tell you the answer. Now we are going to do money order. Now what is money order? This was used in olden days, not in olden, we can say many people use just now also, but now it is used very less by the people because now due to the modern technology. What was money order? Money order, we need to purchase money, the money order form from the post office, fill it and submit the money along with it in the post office. If you will ask your grandparents and your parents, they will tell you how did they use this money order. They used to go to the post office, they used to purchase it, there they used to fill the address, give the money, and then it was sent to the person to whom it was addressed. So this is money order. Now we are going to do telegram. Telegram was also used to send short and urgent messages. Short and urgent messages, we can send it by telegram. Short and urgent messages was sent by telegram. It reaches within hours. It reaches within hours, and you can see here this, like this, it was like this, you see this. But now I think we don't use this telegram now. This was used by your grandparents, and your parents also must have used it. Now you can see search mirror, PCO. What is the full form of PCO? Public call office. Please underline public call office. Now we will come here. Now you can see how this telegram, the procedure of sending a telegram. Now I will be telling you the steps how we can send the telegram. First we write the address. Underline. First we write the address, then there is space for message to be written to whom you are sending. Then we have the third step. We have to pay. Now the third step is we have to pay for each word which we are writing in the message page. So first point I am repeating again, write the address, write in the space, write the message to be written, and we have to pay according to the message we write, according to each word which we are writing. For example, you can see here they have given an example, come soon. Then we have to pay the money for how many words? For 2 words in the telegram. Now, I had told you the meaning of PCO, public call office. This is connected with telephone. Now everybody has mobile, so very less you will see STD, ISD and PCO booths. But before the mobile has come in the use, these were this STD booths were the source of communication for everyone. So you can see, what does not know about the telephone? Who does not know about the telephone? It is very, now come on, please underline, very common in cities and towns. PCO, here from where you can make a phone call. I told you before we were having mobiles, people used to go to PCOs and then do the calls. ISD is international and STD is within India. So where these two, both the facilities were available, that place was known as PCO. But keeping in mind that you have to pay for the call you make. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. I think this is proved now, as we want to do any international call or national call. This is the fastest means that we can pass on our message to someone. Now, we can talk to a person anywhere in the world. Nowadays, mobile phones are underline please, mobile phones are commonly used. We can carry them with us. What is the advantage of mobile phones? Number one, we can carry them with us. We can send SMS. Underline please, we can send SMS through our mobile phones. So, two advantage which was not in PCO was that first, we can carry the mobile wherever we go and we can send SMS. Now, what is the full form of SMS? Short message sending. I think nowadays children are very smart. They know how to send message and everything through WhatsApp, and they also know what is SMS. In every mobile, they can see an app of message. Have you ever used a mobile phone? All the above mentioned means of communication are means of personal communication. Now here we come to an end. So what are the personal communication means? Now you have got it. We have done personal communication means first postal services and then PCOs, money order, telegram, mobile phone. These were all personal. Now comes the mass communication. There is a difference between personal communication and the mass communication. Personal communication, with the word itself, can say that it is personal, one to one. And what is mass communication? That at one time the message is being communicated to many. Now, for example, you see here radio, television, newspaper, magazine. These are the means of mass communication. At one time, many people are able to communicate. Many people we can give the messages and everything. They help in communicating with large number of people at the same time. These are called mass of means communication. Children, please underline this. what I have underlined. Now, one by one, we will be discussing about these examples. Now, the first one, you can see a radio here, and you listen to the radio also in the car when you are traveling at home. So, at one time, many people are listening to the radio, to the song, to the news, to the advertisements. So, at one time, many people can be communicated. So, it is a mass communication. So, children, please underline mass communication. We listen to the news, songs, advertisements, and many entertainment programs on the radio. Radio is very useful to us. It keeps us touch in with the latest news. It is also called Akash Vani. Children, please underline this. This will help you when you are learning this chapter. Please, children, underline this. Now, we will come to television. I think children are more updated with the word TV or television. Now, here also the points are the same, that at one time many people are able to listen to the news, songs, advertisements, and many entertainment, many channels are there, and we can see many different programs on different channels. Now, you can see what is written. You can please underline. You should know who is the inventor of radio. So, please underline here. Marconi invented the radio in year 1895. So, please underline, children, here. Here for you, this is a general tip which you hear in the school, at home, from your parents, from your teachers. Do not watch TV for a long time. Do not watch TV from very near. Watch only good and selected programs. Please put a tick here, because this is a general thing which we have to remember, and these are the tips for the good health also. Now we will come to newspaper. A newspaper gives the news in detail. Newspaper reading is a good habit that every child knows. Gives the news in detail. Good habit. Give information about many things. It is printed in many languages. Now comes the magazine. Magazines are full of knowledge. Please, children, underline. Magazines are full of knowledge. A magazine which comes one in a week is called weekly. Children, I repeat once again. Once in a week is called weekly, and which comes every 15 days, it is called fortnightly. And the magazine which comes once a month is called monthly. So, three types. I am repeating once again. Once in a week, weekly, in 15 days, fortnightly, and once in a month, monthly. And one more is there, once in a year, that is called yearly or annual. Now we will come to the most advanced technology. Nowadays, every child is knowing about it. Computer and internet. I am telling you, children are very smart, and now it is becoming the most popular means of communication. So, children, please take a pencil and underline. Computers are most popular means these days. They are used for various purposes. First, what is the use of computer, in which we use internet, and while using internet we can get many information with the help of the internet instantly, quickly. Google Baba. What is Google Baba? This is done on the computer while using the internet. Now you can see children here. Now you come here. What is internet? Children, please put a big tick here. You have to learn it. What is internet? The internet is an international network providing a vast resource of information. The internet is the largest network of computers in the world, as it has millions of computers connected to each other. This is the reason why when we don't find anything, we always refer internet, because of this reason that it is the largest network of computers in the world and millions of computers are connected. So we get information, right information through these sources. So children, here we end the chapter, and here you can see there are green stars. Please put 1 to 10 number. 1 to 10 number, and children put 10 number. This is a quick review and this is very important. So children, please with the pencil right here, learn it. Learn it. It is very important. These are 10 points which will help you in revising the chapter. These all points we have discussed in this chapter. So children, please learn it and put 1 to 10 number, and please today revise page number 86 and 87 also, and read the whole chapter. Then that when we do the next pages, you are able to understand everything. Thank you.